my name is Maxime and Krammer and I are the co-founder of Solaxer. Solaxer is a spin-off from EPFL, so the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne. And today we are also with Dr. Andreas Schueler, which is our advisor, and it's basically in his lab that the technology has been developed. At Solaxer, we developed high performance and high durable absorber coating to harvest efficiently the heat from the sun. These coatings are especially suited for absorber receivers, which are implemented in concentrating solar collectors and which will then help industries to cut their reliance on fossil fuels. Today, 3/4 of the energy demand in industry is due to heat generation and 90% of it is covered by fossil fuels, so we have a big problem here. And solar thermal and concentrating solar collectors could offer renewable heat sources for industrial processes. Unfortunately, there are still some obstacles which are hindering the technology to be implemented largely in the market, in particular the cost and the lifespan.
Our sol gel coating process is highly efficient with respect to the use of resources, raw material and energy. The patented film hardening by induction delivers the heat exactly where it is needed. The process is environmentally friendly and can be run at relatively low cost. The resulting selective solar absorber coatings are highly durable at elevated temperatures in vacuum and in air, and therefore especially well suited for receiver tubes of parabolic trough collectors.
Our focus now is on preparing the market entry in the segment of parabolic trough collectors, and for this our immediate goals are upscaling our coater and certifying our receivers at an independent solar testing institute. And to fund this growth, we plan to have our first financing round by the end of this year. By now, VentureKick is kind of an institution on the Swiss startup scene, so having their support means a lot of visibility for us, it gives us a lot of credibility, but most importantly, they give us access to the right tools, to the right support system in the early business development. Decarbonization of the industrial sector is essential for a sustainable future, and at Solaxer we believe that renewable solar heat, solar process heat will have a big role to play in that. So at Solaxer we aim to be the first choice supplier of solar receivers of the best optical performance and with the highest durability, which are aimed to solar collectors, concentrating solar collectors.
So I think first, really the game changers for us, for me and Anna, was to go directly to the customers. It gives you some credits, it makes you understand better the customer, and also it gives you even more trust for the investors.
Yeah, and secondly, it is important to understand that you cannot do it all alone. So it's important to have the right people around, the right team from the beginning, to know your set of skills where you are good, and in an ideal case to extend the team with people with complementary skills.